Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to block sending images on a Discord server. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come across and open up my Discord server. So at the moment I'm logged in as this guy down here, Full371, which is the server owner. And on the actual Discord app, I'm logged into my Digital Tutor. So you can see I'm in his server, Wondrous Wanderers server, Full371, he's the owner. He's got the little crown there. And you can see at the moment, if I click the plus button, and then try and upload a image, you'll see it's going to let me do it no problem. Now I'm just going to send this one through as an example. And you'll see that gets sent through no problem. You can see if I go back to my server as the server owner, that's been sent through, no problem at all. So what I'm going to do is delete that message, and to actually stop sent images being sent, to block that, what you need to do when you're logged in as the server owner, you want to come up to the server drop down menu, which is up here. Give that a click and then come on to server settings. And then from here, if you look to the menu on the left hand side, you want to come and click onto roles. And then from here, you want to click onto this top box which says default permissions. And then you just want to click that and basically just scroll down and change the permission on here. So if you actually scroll down, to this page here, to this section here where it says text channel permissions, and you'll see there's an option there which says attach files. All you need to do is go and give that a click and then hit the save changes pop-up which comes up at the bottom. And you'll see if I now go back to my Digital Tutor on the Discord app down here, you'll see the plus button has now disappeared, so I can't actually upload anything into the server. Even if I tried to, for example, drag and drop an image. So if I get that image again and I try and drag and drop into the server, you will see that basically nothing happens at all. The plus button's gone and I can't, and you can basically block sending images. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.